A warm welcome to an exciting episode of Kiska Brand Bajega Industry Titans. This week we have a titan who will be uncovering the brand journey of India's largest and Asia's third largest paint corporation. A homegrown brand with its roots from the time of independence to painting the world with its golden legacy and to becoming a brand synonymous with colors. Doing so, the brand also stood out in the minds of consumers with its engaging marketing activities, like with its famous character Gattu, or be it popular campaigns like Mera Wala Blue and Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai that touched the hearts of consumers with its genius storytelling. Thus, bringing to you the veteran, Mr. Amit Singhal, Managing Director and CEO, Asian Paints.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you, Amit. Amit, let's begin right away. Amit, to say that your journey at Asian Paints is inspiring would be an understatement. From joining the company 30 years ago as a management trainee, and then going on to hold various positions across sales, marketing, and manufacturing, and thus now leading the company into the next decade as the Managing Director and CEO. Drawing from your experience, what advice would you like to give the generation next on sticking around? In retrospect, did working in one organization for a long period of time and subsequent stability attached with it aided your professional growth? Were there any pitfalls for working in the same organization for the successive decades?
Okay, one I would say is that, it's been a real kind of enriching and gratifying, career for me in terms of spanning across all the areas which you said. When we kind of look at youngsters coming in, I think there are two or three pieces of advice which I have for them. One is that when they come in, okay, you come in straight from the point of view of learning, okay, and you give yourself 200% of yours, because I think it is critical that in the beginning years when you're nurturing yourself, I think you need to kind of really look at really learning a lot about what the business is all about. The second area, I think what you should look at is in terms of interacting with people and managing people. I think that's what business schools will never teach you. And that's something which is a very, very great learning which kind of happens. The third area is a very strong effort to kind of look at how strategy can be converted into execution in a very strong way. And I think that's pretty critical in terms of how you would like to do. And I would only say that, what we keep on telling the youngsters who come in is that, keep on adding value to the company and play by the rules until the time you feel that the organization is adding value to you. Okay, I think and that's the clincher.
The paints industry is a highly competitive field with few barriers to new entries. What are the key differentiators which sets Asian Paints apart from its competition?
So what I think is very, very unique about Asian Paints, and that is unique worldwide is what I would say, is that we are the first paint brand which ever thought in terms of looking at inculcating an emotional connect with the consumer. While it's a functional category with so many attributes which keep on coming, whether it is about stain, durability, and so on and so forth, we have looked at in terms of inculcating the whole area of emotion very, very strongly. So I think very early on in 90s, we look at the whole area of Apnapan coming very strongly and then kind of graduating into Apna Ghar. So the whole area of Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai was a very, very strong transition which we took, where I think it was very clear that Asian Paints is part of the high voltage energy which is involved in making homes. And Asian Paints homes have a personality of their own, and they reflect the personality of the owner. So I think we have been able to, over the years, kind of have that very strong connect. And we think today our mind share is much more than the market share to that extent. Because every person who's kind of thinking of painting, at least about 8 to 9 customers out of 10 would think of looking at Asian Paints first. And that's the power of the emotions in terms of what has been built over a period of time. And the brand has been able to nurture this very, very strongly over a period of time, so that basically this is something which remains in the brand life cycle as a very, very strong ingredient as we go in this journey together. The other area which I must say, which has been strong, is that we've already always used technology as a disruptor. Okay. And that's been a hallmark. So whether it is appropriating technology in terms of propelling the supply chain, whether it is technology which kind of reaches the digital consumer of today, whether it is the technology which looks at in terms of forecasting what the customer really wants to that extent. So I think technology has been a very, very big disruptor.
Perfect. Absolutely. Well said. There's a prevalent sentiment of nationalism in the country, with many brands going all things nationalistic as they attempt to leverage the pride of Indian consumers and urge them to buy Swadeshi. Asian Paints is one of the few brands who has been present since the pre-independence era. Does the company plan to project its Indian heritage as a differentiating factor in its communication?
Yeah, I think Asian Paints has always been very strong and proud of our roots. And that is something which we have been really epitomizing across our campaigns and looking at really propagating that in a very, very strong manner. For instance, we have been one very strong champions of Indian art and culture in a very strong manner.
Sure.
And we have looked at in terms of really taking inspirations from Indian art and culture and seeing how we are able to kind of really put them into inspirations which people can take into their houses. So I think from the point of view of thinking, we have been very strongly Indian because we have thought about Indian sensibilities. Okay, so we've looked at in terms of looking at emotions, colors, regionals, and art and culture in a very, very strong manner. And that has been a very strong philosophy. I think one of the big things about us is that we will always kind of stick in terms of looking at celebrating Indian design in a very strong manner. But at the same time, we want to always give it a modern take. We want to give it a little bit of a contemporariness. So I think in a way, it is all about being local while sticking to some of the local values.
Very interesting. Over the years, Asian Paints has been a brand synonymous with household paints and festivals. To understand that further, we actually tested out the general consumer perception towards your brand with some interesting questions. But before that, we get you a chance to second guess those questions and try to reflect their perceptions as accurately as possible. The first thing, and if you had to probably second guess this, what is the first thing that people would say when they hear the word or the brand Asian Paints?
I would say, images of color, something which brings warmth to your life, happy faces, joy at home, things like that.
Perfect. Let's see what are the consumers' associations with Asian Paints.
हर घर कुछ कहता है
या quirky ads.
हर घर कुछ कहता है
सिर्फ दिखे महंगा हर घर कुछ कहता है
शाइन जो दिखे महंगी
हर घर कुछ कहता है unanimously. I think that's a campaign which has a more strong emotional bond, even with youngsters, as you rightly would say.
Great. I'm so happy to see these reactions.
Over the years, the brand Asian Paints is known to have a top consumer recall due to its heart-touching storytelling in its marketing campaigns. Hence, in our next segment, The Big Idea, we will show you some campaigns of yours which received a lot of love from the audience and subsequently give the viewers a sneak peek on the makings of a successful marketing campaign. So let's start with the iconic one, and how can we not have this one, which was Har Ghar Chup Chaap Se Kuch Kehta Hai.
हर घर चुपचाप से ये कहता है अच्छा लगता है जब सब कोई अंदर रहता है कोई मेरे कानों पर लगे जाले उतार रहा है कोई जाली में जमी धूल निकाल रहा है कोई मेरे पैरों तले लगी फिसलन हटा रहा है कोई खुद को नहीं मुझको संवार रहा है कोई शायद ये कह रहा है यहाँ न कोई चिंता न कोई डर है आखिर ये मेरा ही तो घर है हर घर चुपचाप से ये कहता है अच्छा लगता है जब सब कोई अंदर रहता है Stay home, stay safe. Asian Paints.
Amit, we just saw Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai. What was the insight behind having a slice of life campaign which focused on the emotional aspect of the consumers? And how is the journey behind Har Ghar campaign so far?
Okay, the journey has been really, really very exciting. I would say right from the time when I was involved in terms of creating this Har Ghar. I remember the first time when we cracked looking at this preposition, we were sitting with Piyush Pandey at the Ogilvy headquarters. And, when we kind of crafted those lines and we looked at this whole thing, we had tears in our eyes, okay? And it was so emotional and it was so touching and it came so naturally that this was the area which the brand really has to epitomize as we kind of go ahead. And then there was no stopping. So whether it was the emotion around people who stay within the house, in terms of the colors they use, what they want to kind of do to kind of bring happiness to them, how we create our own colors, how we create our own corners in the house. I think it was a journey which was so rich that we kind of really got flooded by stories from audiences all across the country. And they were so touching stories that we kept on embracing stories, which was stories about how daughters kind of really, do up the home to kind of get their parents home, in terms of looking at parents staying with the daughter over a period of time, how children, would kind of really do up a place to kind of welcome their parents home, and vice versa to that extent. I think the stories were immense, touching to the core to that extent. And I think we kept on kind of really working on those stories over a period of time. And as we see, the whole thing has now kind of got into the area of home so strongly, which led us to kind of get into the area of home decor. And that's been the big transition of Har Ghar over a period of time, basically from walls to home spaces to emotions, which have remained absolutely universal over a period of time.
Absolutely. Right. On the other side of the break, catch the creative MBA students pitch their campaign ideas to Mr. Singhal for his brand, Asian Paints. Be right back.
We don't use celebrities as endorsers. We use celebrities in terms of making them part of the story and making them part of the brand very, very strongly.
Thank you for joining once again, and brace yourself for some fun segments coming your way. You've done iconic campaigns like Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai without the presence of Bollywood stars, whereas your competition roped in Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan. Does this prompt Asian Paints to use celebrities like Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone in your recent advertisements?
Asian Paints, again, we've always seen that all our corporate, advertisements have been always celebrating the common man. Okay, so we've always about what brings happiness to the lady of the house. What is it that basically we bring as an emotion? What are those warm stories which touch people? So all our corporate advertisement has been largely about people, the housewives, the children, the dadi and the dada in the house. So it's all about common people. But when we look at certain functionalities which we need to communicate to the consumer, whether it is the preposition of a Teflon which we bring into the product, whether it is a stain proof which we are bringing into the product, or it is the timeless exterior durability in terms of what we are weaving in it. We think that today getting some of the Bollywood stars makes the entire story far more interesting. And what it does is that it gets you definitely far more eyeballs in terms of people kind of embracing and understanding those advertisements, because those advertisements are largely functional in nature. And the emotions are possibly as a layering in some of those adverts in terms of how it comes up. And this is something which has not been new to Asian Paints, because in 1991, we used Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi in terms of our first ad on Royale. And then we looked at Saif Ali Khan, we have looked at Soha Ali Khan, and we've looked now at Deepika and Ranveer coming into the frame. So I think our inspirations always have been that today, when it comes to functional properties, functional attributes of a paint, I think we tend to kind of go with someone who can get us possibly interesting stories which people can look up. And secondly, something which stays with the people in terms of getting more eyeballs. We also feel
and a bigger reach, absolutely.
Yeah, and we also feel that we don't use celebrities as endorsers. We use celebrities in terms of making them part of the story and making them part of the brand very, very strongly.
Perfect. Well said. Right. The pandemic saw Asian Paints introduce ViroProtect range of hand and surface sanitizers at the peak of COVID in India, and came up with a completely in-house product in a record 10 days. What was the most challenging part of putting the entire operation together?
Okay, I think the biggest task at that point of time was to kind of really see that we could kind of convert uncertainty into certainty. Okay. I would say that was the biggest essence we took. When I addressed the people and I told them we are entering this area, it was almost like creating hope. It was almost like creating that when people were struggling, people could see a ray of light for contributing to other people's life. It was almost as if people got another purpose. And I think, there was no looking back after that. I think the way people worked day and night, with the way people took precautions while the COVID was at its peak at that point of time, I think it is a story which we have written so many times, and we really are amazed in terms of the passion which we saw. People work day and night to kind of make that whole dream alive. And I think if normally would have got into it, it would have taken us about a minimum year and a half to put everything up, which we kind of got in 10 days flat, including all permissions from the government, everything coming to that extent. It was almost like something which is like a passion, which is working with no stoppages.
Perfect, makes sense. In the post-pandemic era, are you observing a change in the pattern of demand with the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities now registering a resurgence?
Asian Paints always has been a very, very strong presence as far as the rural is concerned. So typically, if you look at T3, T4 cities, Asian Paints always has had a very, very strong presence there. In fact, our presence used to be lesser in terms of some of the Tier 1 metro cities to that extent. So today, I think one of the things which really came at our advantage was that while the metro T1 cities were not batting, the T2, T3, T4 cities were batting, I think we were gaining the most. And in fact, we think we have gained the most from both the organized sector and the unorganized sector in the last year because of our presence and our footprint, which has been very, very strong in terms of the rural and the semi-urban areas kind of a thing to that extent.
Perfect. That's where, over the years, marketing campaigns have become synonymous with brand identity. A good campaign idea is like hitting a home run that can help you seal the match. Hence, in an attempt to encourage young creative minds and to give them a platform, we have MBA students from colleges across India who are eagerly waiting to present their marketing campaign idea for your brand and would love to know your thoughts on the same. So can we begin, Amit? Our first marketing enthusiast is Mansi. So Mansi, welcome to Kiska Brand Bajega Industry Titans. How are you doing today?
Good.
Which college are you from, Mansi? Can you introduce yourself to Amit ji?
Hello sir, my name is Mansi Suryavanshi and I'm an MBA student from NMIMS Mumbai.
That's great, Mansi. And what is your idea?
What I came across in my research is that we like to upgrade our lifestyle, amenities and home constantly by adding our own little touch to it. We like to replace our old set of chairs, get new home decor, and sometimes also give a new look to our house by giving it a new coat of paint. So my campaign idea is My Home, My Feel. The idea behind this is that every house has its own personality and it depicts its family members. So why don't we cherish this feeling while conveying this newness by painting our homes with our emotions, and Asian Paints will help us do that. A possible extension to this campaign can be user-generated content wherein people are posting and talking about their favorite corners of their home and how that corner makes them feel. So for example, when I come home, I see a light blue colored wall which is decorated with fairy lights and has a set of my favorite books beside it. It makes me feel really very comfortable and relaxed.
Okay, great. I think it's very, 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 very strong as an idea. My Home, My Feel, I think it really epitomizes the extension of Har Ghar in a very strong manner, because literally what it's bringing onto the table is that I have my favorite corner and I can do my corner in a very strong way with my own colors, with my own feel, and Asian Paints brings that alive. So you are talking of many lives within one home, and therefore each person having their favorite corner or favorite space, which really comes alive in a very strong manner. I think it's a brilliant idea. It's something which possibly we would like to take, and we have taken some forms of it earlier, but I think the way you put it, I think the story is very, very exciting.
Thank you, Mansi. That was from the man himself. Thank you for coming on the show. Thank you. And last but certainly not the least is Sanskriti. Sanskriti, welcome to Kiska Brand Bajega. Okay. Sanskriti, can you introduce yourself to Amit?
I am Sanskriti Reja from IIM Sambalpur. Storytelling has been integral for Asian Paints. And for that, I have a script in mind called Dear Dad. A father who is separated from his family after the partition is tired of being alone. And he decides to adopt 2 children who have grown up to be successful. But the issues between the two have pulled the family apart. In his old age, the father's last wish is to see his family together. And the 2 children decide to visit with their families. Seeing his grandchildren playing and leaving their hand impressions on the wall he peacefully took his last breath in his own little home, surrounded by his loved ones. I hope it struck an emotional chord. Sir, I would love to know your thoughts on it.
I feel, it was almost listening, if there is an agency which is telling me a script. So I must say that it's literally, you kind of recited the script in terms of in a very interesting manner. So how I see it, it's the idea of homecoming has been always very, very strong. Okay. Where you've added another strong layer in the story is about the fact that there is a father who's, possibly wanting to unite his sons and he's not finding an avenue. And the fact that people unite in the ancestral home and they come together and they have the warmth of people coming in that house, which speaks of the Asian Paints values and speaks of the Asian Paints colors very, very strongly, I think is a very strong, concept which you have kind of weaved in.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. And to end our episode, Amit, I have one final question. Asian Paints is a shining example of India's growth story and truly embodies the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat and is now conquering the world with a presence in 13 countries. How does Asian Paints, the brand, plan to leverage its expertise in the higher growth emerging markets?
Interesting question. Today we feel that, in India, we have been market leaders since 67, have done lots of stuff, and we continue to kind of really be the, the forerunners of decor and being constant leaders across. When we look at the emerging markets, I think where Asian Paints can really be a strong player would be in the areas where we look at synergy coming from the Indian business in a strong manner. So first of all, I think our supply chain capabilities are something which is paramount, which we'll use to kind of really grow the markets. The second area is of the whole area of brand building and marketing. I think there are lots of lessons from India in terms of what we have learned. A lot of Asian markets are pretty similar in terms of what we see, and these are the emerging markets which are there to that extent. And therefore, a lot of brand building measures can be linked there. So looking at regional people, looking at regional campaigns, looking at being a regional player at the same time a global entity, I think would be a very strong zone in terms of what we would kind of look at. And finally, the art of really sensing the needs of the consumer. I think we've got something which is a very strong thing going for us. The way we research people, the way we get people to kind of understand where they're coming in from. And therefore, understanding regional customers in newer emerging markets could be a very big game in terms of what we could play. And that could kind of really propel the brand forward.
Thank you, Amit, for joining with us today. It was truly amazing to have you on the show and knowing the beautiful insights behind the legacy of Asian Paints and its marketing brilliance. I'm sure the viewers too had a lot of learnings to take back from this episode. On behalf of the entire team at Kiska Brand Bajega, we wish you all the best and hope you continue to grow with flying colors.
Thank you so much. And I had real great fun and really enjoyed myself in terms of really interacting with you and your various modules to that extent. I think it was a pleasure to be here.
This was Aditya Bhatt signing off from now. Until next time, happy branding.
Today, all our phones, more than 99% of phones are locally manufactured. All our TVs, 100% of our TVs are locally manufactured. Majority of the components are locally sourced. So these are the products which have been designed in India for India. And I would just say, like in spirit, again, like I would say in spirit, we are as Indian as anybody else.